I'm at the Paris Resort and Hotel in Las Vegas on room 3253. When you walk in, there's a short little hallway and you're in the main area of the room. To the left is the bureau that has the TV, dresser drawers, and the closets. This left closet, you have your ironing board, place to hang your clothes. And then in the right closet, you have what looks like an extra pillow, you have your safe, some shelves, and then a refrigerator to put your own things in. There is no mini bar in this room. Right next to that, you have a little desk with a light. There's an outlet by the desk that you can use to plug things into. Nothing on the lamp, but there is one on the wall. Over on this side, there's a sitting chair with an ottoman and a little end table. Then you have your king-size bed. On the left, you have a dresser with drawers. You have a clock. Clock does have a connection for a lightning port. It also has a USB connection in the back. And the lamp does have an outlet on one side, and then the other side should be a USB outlet, but it's missing from this lamp. If you look at the lamp on the other side, it's got the outlet on the left, and then there is a USB charging port on the right. There's also an outlet on the wall that you can use. I mean, the bed looks good. It seems clean. It's all white. Nice, clean, fresh looking. Room seems in generally good repair. Furniture doesn't look too bad. It's an okay size, big enough. Usually not in your room too much. Back near the front door is the bathroom. There is one sink. A lot of counter space though. Do have the toiletries where you get conditioner, shampoo, body lotion, and shower gel. Soap, towels, there is a hair dryer, some extra towels. Have the toilet, a separate shower, kind of small, and then a tub. So there's a tub in this room. The lighting in the bathroom isn't that great. And you can see it's pretty dark over the shower, or in the shower, and the tub area. There's a light over the toilet, which is bright. And then you have these wall sconces here, but there's no other light to light up the tub or the shower. Take a look at the view. Nice arched window. We are facing west here. We're not looking at the strip in this room. Looking at the airport, you can see the control tower. You can also see over here the Virgin Hotel, the parking garage, where it's going to be. See the mountains in the distance. Ellis Island over there. So you can see a long distance airport view if you want to see. You might be able to see planes land. Hard to tell from here. They're on the opposite side of the control tower there. You can see UNLV, but not a strip view. So this room is pretty good. Seems okay. It's okay size. Seems pretty clean. More on the modern side than some of the other rooms I've been in. Remember, we do have other videos of hotel room tours, walkthroughs on the channel, so look at the playlist at the end, or I'll put a card up right here. Also, other Las Vegas videos. Remember, like, share, subscribe, comment down below.